Mommy. Mommy. Oh, I'm going to throw out, Mommy. Mommy. Oh, show me a crack. You come here for one day. Huh? Mommy. Hello. Show me a come here for what? Hello. Mommy. Mommy. Show me money. Mommy. 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 Hello.
Excuse me. What do you want? No, you're not sorry. Okay, in class. Hey, Massa, what's stopping me now? You are sorry. You better sorry for yourself. What's stopping me now? Hey! Hey, no, hey. No. What's the matter, doggy style?
Debbie, Miss Rao, Miss Rao. What's up, Debbie?
What you sit down and say,
I know watching an
enemy. I'm
just wanna go out.
You are not going anywhere. You are here because of me.
No. Listen, bro. Bro, listen.
No, don't call me bro.
Oh, well,
you look like a bro.
No, I'm just walking past my way. I did have some query. No. Miss. Oh,
I am a crash.
Debbie,
don't call me no. I'm not blue.
I'm just walking by black.
Let's go.
I'm just walking past.
No, you don't. What about some back? Next time, move. Na someone nama. And I'm not about moon near Cram of Fro. Yet in Bunia, the better some. Who done it? Let's not book. Oh, who is coming again?